Oh, that was close. Oh, it's almost swimming. Come on. Okay, so they got some nice swimming suits. Like, this one looks pretty nice. I guess we could wear this one to swimming. Yeah, we should do that one. Okay, Alex, are you ready to go swimming? Before swimming class. Before swimming class. But you're swimming suit. Oh. Okay. Never mind. I won't look. Do not change in front of me, please. I'm gonna lock this because that would be embarrassing if I. Okay, is she done? Okay, good. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go down the elevator. Dun. Okay, there it is. Beautiful swimming. Okay, let's get down. Oh, the water's so nice. Where is she? Well, it doesn't matter. Well, I guess she's my friend, so I should care about her. Where is she? Oh, there she is. Okay, come on. Come on. Alex? Okay, whatever. It doesn't matter. Oh, there she is. Okay. Come on, let's go. Come in. The water is so nice. Oh no, swimming class. I guess we could go, but after. Let's go swimming. I do not like swimming class, so I like to cheat. Oh no, dang it. I do not like when that happens. I guess I can just sit right here and chill. Okay, a few seconds left. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I got an A plus when I fell down one time. Oh dear. Oh, I leveled up. Let's see how many diamonds I have. Oh, I have so many diamonds. Let's go shopping to see what I can get. This skirt is really cute, but I don't think I will be needing that. Let's look at the accessories I can get. Okay, this is the highest I can get. No, thank you. Let's look at some purple wings. Ooh, these. I think these are really good. Oh, yes, of course. Let's also try on these. I think these ones are better, so let's go buy them. Okay, let's swim more. Cannonball! Woo! Ow, that hurt. Ooh, some diamonds. Let's go swim over to the diamond. Okay, now, wait, Ella? How dare me use the high dive? Ooh, of course. Actually, I'm gonna run. Okay, do not do this when you're walking, okay? Because if you slip, that's good. So, yeah. Oh my gosh, you went so high. That was so fun. Let's do it again. Meet again. I'm nervous, but I like it. Boom! Let's not fall on the line because that would hurt. Like we did last time. I mean, we didn't do it when we did on the diving board, but we did. Like, I don't remember. Oh, that was a little too fast. I'm sorry about that. Okay, let's go on the mini diving board. Oh, and I found the wrong spot. Boom! Okay, that was boring. Okay, now it's my time to shine. Oh, yes, I am going to be a lifeguard. Now I gotta change. Where is, like, somewhere where I can change? Okay, I guess we could change right over here. Okay, okay, so let's see. Where are all the lifeguard thingies? No, that's a watermelon, not a lifeguard. I can use this as a lifeguard thingy. But I'm not really a red girl, but I should dye my hair actually. Let's dye it red. Yes, and then the color should be orange and red. Perfect. Oh, now we are ready to be the lifeguard. Oh, Claire, the lifeguard. Come be a lifeguard with me, Alex. Oh, the dance. I'm so excited for the dance. Let's go get ready. What should okay, obviously, okay, let's, dye my hair. Let's see, what colors do they have? I don't really like this color, but a lot of girls are like girly girls. Like that person, that's not really one of them, but it doesn't matter. I need to go with those girls' colors. I mean styles. Let's see. Okay, we gotta get the peach and the strawberry because we need to smell good. Okay, let's. Oh, what hairstyle? I don't think this is a good hairstyle that people like. So let's do a different one. Let's see. Let's brush. Oh. Hmm. Okay, guys. I don't know. Okay. I don't know why I did this, but I cut my bangs. But I really do want to win the pageant, so it doesn't matter. Now we gotta go and let's go get in a mud bath. Okay, we're done. Let's go to the shower. Okay. Shampoo. Conditioner. Facial soap. Oh no. And oh no, and then the loafa. Okay. That's just a second warning. Okay, we're done with that. Okay, now let's look at all of the clothes they have. Okay, I guess this one's good. I mean, I like black and pink people like, so this is really good. Now let's change the face. Where is the makeup? Okay. What face should I do? Okay, are you guys ready to see? Ta-da! Now my name color. Let's see. Pink and white. No, actually black because actually not white. Okay, now let's go look if we can get a skirt. Okay, here are the skirts. I think we need the pleated skirt. Definitely the pleated skirt. Let's see. Okay, I think it's like this color. Yes, this is perfect. Now let's see the walk. So this is the default. No way. Ice skater, bubbly, stylish. Obviously the one that I had nice. Okay, I think these ones down here are really bad. But I mean marathon runner is fine. I think I'm gonna go with bubbly. Okay, perfect. I think I'm gonna need a little accessory. Oh no. Oh no, I hope I do. Okay, it's okay. I'm fine. Okay, I just came. I'm just gonna get dressed really quick. Let's get this crown. Make it pink. Oh no, I'm still the lifeguard. Oh my gosh, this is really. Oh my god. Okay, here we are. I guess I can ask Alex if we can dance. Alex, wanna dance? Okay, she said okay. So this is how to play. I already know how to play. So yeah, let's go. Oh my god. Ah, how am I not getting it wrong? Right, I mean. Oh my god. I'm literally so bad. I got every single wrong. Every single one wrong. And I got 0 right. Why can't I get my LOL? Well, I guess let's just wait until the show starts. Oh my gosh, guys, I literally won. Thank you so much. Hey guys, I guess that will be it for today's video. Bye!